to open apps in the floating mode on the Redmi Note 14s. Let me quickly show you how you can do this. So first of all, you'll have to open any application that you'd like to open in the floating mode. So in my case, I will open this application and the phone application, and after that you have to go for the recents, and here is our app. You have to press and hold on this app that you'd like to open in the floating mode, just like this, and right here we can find the button for the floating windows, but unfortunately I cannot open this up in the floating window, so let's try with the gallery application though. Alright, and this application I can open in the floating mode, so let's press this button right here, and now we have this floating window, and here is the quick instruction of how to use it. So you can drag around this floating window using these three dots. You can change the size of this floating window. You can put it to the split screen or in the folder window, or you can make it full screen. You can also completely close this application, and I'm not sure how you can actually hide this app. It didn't hide the application, but yeah, that's basically how you can open applications in the floating mode.